Hi, thanks for stopping by our booth. I'm Cameron Bonzi. I'm the Vice President of Marketing with Coast of Maine Brands. And at Coast of Maine Brands, we're focused on organic and sustainable gardening and farming practices. Supporting local retailers and communities is part of who we are. Those efforts help to create a healthy bond between Coast of Maine Brands and the independent retailers who are our friends and partners. As you visit our trade show booth, either physically or virtually, you'll notice the beauty of our bags, just like the kids holding the bags behind me. What makes us the best partner for independent retailers is the healthy, effective soils, mulches, and fertilizers those packages contain. Your staff and your customers will love growing in Coast of Maine made products because they'll have success doing something that makes them happy. At Coast of Maine Brands, we've also developed geo-targeted social media ads that will direct consumers to shop at your individual specific location. This process leads to greater consumer loyalty and profitability for you. Please spend some time at our booth in person or online and connect with our wonderful staff who will guide you through the products and services that create sustainable, long-term business relationships. Thank you for stopping by and enjoy the show.